Welcome to the channel, friends. So we're going to be going over the lock and unlock on the Google Nest original thermostat. This is the model with the mirror display, as you can see it here in the Snow White configuration. And lock and unlock, unfortunately, is not available on this thermostat. There's really no way of locking out the keypad or locking out the thermostat. Even when it's connected to the Home app, the Google Home app, you cannot lock it out. Okay, you can set it up properly. I have videos covering all those other different topics for programming, manual override, connected to the app and set up and install. But when it comes to like actually locking and unlocking the device, you cannot do that. Anybody will be able to come over here and kind of change the heating and cooling at will. Okay, there's no lockout or the lockout on the keypad. It's, controlled by the smartphone Google Home app, but there's really no option for that, unfortunately, with this particular Google Nest device. So please check out my other videos if you want to learn more about this smart thermostat. This is the Google Home Original, Google Nest Original, I should say. And then, there's other models I cover as well that also have lock and unlock, but this one here does not. So I encourage you to watch those. I have them down below the video or up in the upper cards on the upper right. But I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.